Yeah, I mean that certainly is a risk for, frankly, for most cloud applications. You know, for example, if you some cloud applications host the data exclusively through their systems. That's true for NetSuite, Salesforce, things. Those applications are hosted exclusively and only through their proprietary hosting. So what I like to think of is that look at the provider, look at the application provider. And this is what drew me to Acumatica Cloud ERP, is that Acumatica has several levels of deployment. So you can leverage its complete cloud deployment model, or you can actually deploy it in-house. So what you can do in that case is you can actually license, install the application at a hosting provider or on your servers in-house. And what this gives you is the flexibility that if for whatever reason you're not happy with Microsoft and its Azure hosting environment, or you're not happy with the vendor, you have the option of installing the software wherever you want. So that's one layer. But then the other layer is that what kind of a database is it using? So again, with Acumatica, for example, it's using a industry standard enterprise caliber database, Microsoft SQL Server, which is a commercially available product. So the data is always stored in a database where you can, even if you don't have the Acumatica application, you can just fire up an instance of SQL Server and access your data directly. So again, there's a couple ways to that, and that's what I like about Acumatica, is it really does avoid the issue of data. So I would also recommend do your own backups. So pull a copy of the database periodically, whether it's every month, every couple of weeks, or whatever. So pull a copy of the database and put that onto a cloud storage service, or bring it in-house or whatever. But have a automated copy that you're storing, that if for whatever reason your hosting provider is unavailable or down, or you just don't like them, you can pull your data. You already have your data. You have it in an enterprise class database, and you have the option of installing the software in-house if you want. But that's an example using Acumatica that I think is somewhat unique in the industry, but it's something that I, as a customer, would feel there's really not any other any better way of being secure and satisfied that I have the best of all worlds in that.